Hi everyone, happy Friday. I hope you're making some good progress on your papers. I wanted to let you know that I did go in this afternoon and record credit for everyone that I currently have a completed rough draft for. If the whole thing was complete, I gave you full credit. If you had less than half, there was a point deduction. And if I don't have anything from you, and there are a few of you who I'm still waiting on seeing anything from, right now you'll see a 0 in Blackboard. I know some of you have talked to me about some extenuating circumstances, so if you fall into that category, just make sure I get something I can open and we'll work together on getting you some credit for the rough draft. Reminder that on Monday in class you're going to have some time to peer review one another's papers, and then you will also have some time to talk with one another about your papers. It's that process of saying, well, what'd you think? How could I strengthen it? What could I do that I think you'll find really helpful as you move into your final drafts? Hopefully by the time you leave on Monday, you'll know what you need to do, and it'll just be a matter of getting it done. I was working with one of your classmates today, and we started playing around a little with Word to make sure that we had all of the headers and page numbers and all that need to be in a paper. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about how I would do that if I was working with, for example, this paper that I have right here. I'm trying to get out of this header so I can put it on there for you the first time too. Okay, so let's close this one and then we'll go back in just a minute. Okay, let me see if I can close it. Okay, so we're going to go down. We're going to pretend like this is my second page. We're going to go down here to my first page, and the first thing we're going to do, this is my cover page. We're going to insert a header. We're going to use this blank type. We don't need anything fancy, no fancy bars or anything there at the top. And then we're going to go to design, and we're going to make sure that this different first page button is clicked so that you'll be able to put a different header on your first page than you will on the rest of them. So here I am going to start by typing running head, and this is about a chili cook-off, so I'm going to put chili cook-off here. And then you want to insert your page number right where you are. And so I like my page number on that side, right? And then that's it for my first page. And so then this would be our cover page, and we'd have our name and all the appropriate things on the cover page. And then we go down to the second page, you'll notice that it allows me to put a different heading here. So it would still be chili cook-off because that's what I was talking about. But then I would insert my page number again. And you can actually have it come in here so that it goes every page and not just on, I don't know, where am I? Oh, okay. Sometimes when you put the page numbers in, what you had typed before disappears, and so you end up having to retype it. So like that's what I have to do here with the chili cook-off part. But, and then I would space bar it so it was all the way over here on the other side. Going slow here because it almost always kicks it down. Oh, just like that. And then I would pull this back up, right? And there you go. So then I have, there's my page 1 header, and there's my page 2 and following headers. Just a quick tutorial. It might be a review for many of you, but I just wanted to show you how to get it in Word, because sometimes that's the kind of stuff that drives us crazy. I hope all is well, and if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.